24/6 Concrete Mix is a fast-setting, multi-purpose concrete repair material for commercial, industrial, and residential applications. This versatile product is best used for general and structural concrete repair, setting posts, driveways, walkways, floors, sidewalks, patios, formed work, footings, and more. To use 24/6, please consult the data sheet for exact product use instructions. First, prepare the area so that it's clean, sound, and free from any materials that may inhibit bond, such as oil, asphalt, curing compound, acid, dirt, and loose debris. Rough its surface and remove all unsound material. Mix the product with a mortar mixer, concrete mixer, or a drill-mounted mixer. Don't exceed 3 quarts of water per 60-pound bag. Mix for 1 to 3 minutes or until you achieve a lump-free, uniform consistency. Do not retemper. Apply from 2 inches to 24 inches thick using traditional construction methods. Place, consolidate, and screed quickly to allow for maximum finishing time. 24/6 may be troweled, floated, or broom finished. Begin water curing after finishing the surface. Keep exposed surfaces wet for a minimum of 3 days using common curing methods. 24/6 achieves structural strength in 24 hours and is ready for foot traffic in 8 to 10 hours. For more information, visit ctscement.com or call 800-929-3030.